Lisa Hayden, the well-known Indian actress, TV presenter, and model, entered this world as Elizabeth Mary Hayden on the 17th of June, 1986, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Her father, Venkat, boasts a multifaceted career as a motivational speaker, life coach, and HR consultant. On the other hand, her mother, Anna, originally hails from Australia, where her adventurous spirit led her to India in pursuit of working alongside Mother Teresa after embracing a hippie lifestyle. Eventually, Anna tied the knot with Venkat, marking the beginning of their family journey. Within the Hayden family, Lisa is one of 7 siblings. Among them are 3 brothers, including Amit Hayden, and 3 sisters, Julia Hayden, Malika Hayden, and Amita Venkat. Malika Hayden, Lisa's sister, is recognized for her career as both a model and a DJ. Meanwhile, Julia Hayden and Amita Venkat have found their passion in teaching ballet. Lisa Hayden tied the knot with Dinesh Lalwani, popularly known as Dino Lalwani, on the 30th of October in 2016. Dino Lalwani, a British entrepreneur, serves as the CEO of the esteemed British firm, Binetone. Their union has been graced with the presence of 3 lovely children, 2 sons named Zach Lalwani and Leo Lalwani, along with a daughter named Lara Lalwani. Zach Lalwani came into the world in 2017, followed by Leo Lalwani in 2020, and Lara Lalwani completed the trio in 2021. Before marriage, Lisa Hayden commenced a romantic journey with Karan Bhojwani, the son of socialite Devika Bhojwani and Suresh Bhojwani. Even, the couple officially announced their engagement in 2013. However, they chose to part ways in 2014. Also, speculation swirled around Lisa that she was linking her to Indian actor Varun Dhawan. In addition, Lisa dated Indian businessman Ness Wadia. Beyond her romantic escapades, Lisa Hayden has delved into the realm of psychology during her time in Australia. Now, she's found her living place in Hong Kong. Lisa Hayden career. At 18, Lisa Hayden ventured into modeling in Australia. Her journey commenced with an advertisement for Stretch Marks products. Upon her return to India in 2007, she graced the runways of prestigious events like Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week and Hadil India Couture Week. By 2017, she became the face of Nirav Modi Jewels, featuring prominently in their ad campaigns. Her modeling prowess landed her on the covers of Verve magazine in 2008 and 2011, cementing her status as a lifestyle icon. Throughout 2009 and 2010, Lisa's captivating presence adorned the covers of renowned publications such as Elle, Femina, Harper's Bazaar, FHM, and Adore Home magazine. Additionally, she captivated audiences as the calendar girl for Kingfisher in 2011. In 2010, Lisa Hayden made her Bollywood debut with the romantic comedy drama Aisha, marking her foray into the Indian film industry. In 2011, she graced the screens in the Hindi black comedy action flick Rascals under the direction of David Dhawan. Continuing her stride, 2014 saw Lisa joining the cast of the Hindi comedy The Shaukeens, portraying the character of Ehna Bakshi. The momentum only grew stronger in 2016 as Lisa became part of the ensemble cast in the Hindi comedy Houseful 3. Further solidifying her presence in the industry, Lisa secured a role in the 2016 super-hit Hindi romantic drama Ye Dil Hai Mushkil. In 2016, Lisa landed a role in the Bindaas channel's TV series The Trip, portraying the character Shonali. 2 years later, in 2018, Lisa took on the roles of host and judge for the revived edition of India's Next Top Model, titled Top Model India, which aired on the Colors Infinity channel. For her amazing contribution to the Indian entertainment industry, Lisa was honored with the Most Stylish Persona Award, the Vogue Beauty Award for Best Breakthrough, the Lion Gold Award, the Filmfare Award, IIFA Award, Screen Award, Star Guild Award, and many more. Now, Lisa Hayden is one of the finest actresses in India. She charges around 5 crores for acting in a film. Overall, Lisa's total net worth is approximately 30 crores of Indian rupees. Lesser known facts about Lisa Hayden. Number 1. Lisa Hayden is passionate about water surfing, skiing, and trekking, often sharing snapshots of her adventures on social media. Number 2. Anil Kapoor first noticed Lisa Hayden at a coffee shop in Mumbai in 2009, which led to her being cast in the film Aisha. Number 3. Lisa was crowned the Face of Lakme in 2011. Number 4. Making a cameo in the title song Racha, Lisa debuted in the Telugu action drama film Racha in 2012. Number 5. In 2013, Lisa Hayden ventured into the skincare industry, launching her own brand, Naked Beauty, specializing in handmade and organic products. Number 6. When she turned 18, Lisa served as a waitress at a Mumbai restaurant, earning a monthly salary of 500 rupees. Number 7. Following her role as Aisha in 2010, Lisa Hayden spent 3 months in New York, immersing herself in method acting, alongside attending diction classes back in Mumbai. Number 8. At 18, Lisa Hayden aspired to become a yoga instructor, but couldn't pursue it due to financial constraints while studying psychology. Number 9. Encouraged by a childhood friend, Lisa ventured into modeling to supplement her income. Number 10. In 2014, Lisa Hayden was appointed as the brand ambassador for Myntra, a prominent fashion e-commerce platform. She also played a pivotal role in Myntra's extensive marketing campaign, Live for Likes. Number 11. By 2015, she had stepped into the role of brand ambassador for Sohail Khan's cricket team, Mumbai Heroes. Number 12. In 2017, Lisa took on the prestigious position of brand ambassador for Lancel colored contact lenses by Bausch & Lomb. Number 13. Before Katrina Kaif's tenure beginning in 2018, Lisa held the title of brand ambassador for Lino Perros, the esteemed handbag company. Number 14. In 2019, Lisa assumed the mantle as the fresh face of India for Kerastays, the luxury professional haircare brand. Number 15. Lisa's presence has graced television screens in commercials for a myriad of brands, including Hyundai i20, Tanishq, Myntra, Blender's Pride, Pantene, and Lace. Number 16. Lisa is passionate about strumming the guitar, frequently delighting her social media followers with snapshots and videos of her musical prowess. Number 17. Lisa enjoys the occasional drink, often spotted saving alcoholic beverages in the company of her friends and siblings at different gatherings. Do you like Lisa Hayden as an actress? Tell us your opinion in the comments section. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel for further interesting videos. Till then, stay with us.